Hey everyone! Welcome to Crypto On-Chain. I'm hosting a quick giveaway, and it's super easy to join. Here's what you need to do. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment telling me why you could use some extra cash. Once we hit 2,000 likes, I'll randomly pick one lucky winner to get at least $80. So, let's get those likes up, and now, let's dive into today's video. Time Farm Airdrop Guide. Earn rewards and maximize your profits. Time Farm has taken the crypto gaming world by storm, especially on Telegram, since its launch in June 2024. With its unique concept of tokenizing time, the platform has drawn in millions of users eager to earn rewards. By October 2024, Time Farm had already amassed 28 million users, with 15 million actively engaging daily. If you're looking to join the hype and claim your share of the massive airdrop, this guide will show you exactly how to do it while also exploring the exciting tokenomics behind $2. What is Time Farm? Time Farm is a Telegram-based mini application running on the TON blockchain. Created by the team behind Chrono, Tech and LaborX.com, it allows users to earn $2 tokens simply by engaging with the platform. With a growing community of 17 million users, it's clear that Time Farm is more than just a trend, it's a movement. Key features: micro-task ecosystem, complete simple tasks and get rewarded. Check-ins every 4 hours, earn tokens just by logging in. Staking rewards, lock in your tokens for extra earnings. Referral program, invite friends and earn bonuses. Time Farm Airdrop, your ticket to free crypto. The Time Farm Airdrop is a golden opportunity for active users. A total of $10 million second tokens will be distributed to reward engagement and loyalty while strengthening the platform's reach and liquidity. Why the airdrop matters. Beyond free tokens, this airdrop is a gateway to Time Farm's future plans, including a microtasks marketplace and a decentralized autonomous organization, DAO. By participating, you're securing your stake in an evolving crypto ecosystem. Airdrop timeline and tokenomics. Token Generation Event (TG). The much-anticipated launch of $2 tokens is set for December 2024. This event will play a key role in shaping the platform's future and ensuring sustainable token distribution. Key aspects of tokenomics. Bot prevention. No unfair advantage. Only real users earn. Revamped farming system. More staking options and referral incentives. Expanded token utility. New products and services to increase $SECOND's value. What can you do with $2 tokens? 1. Payment for tasks. Use $2 tokens to pay for platform tasks and services. 2. Platform governance. Join the DAO and have a say in Time Farm's future decisions. 3. Chrono. Tech ecosystem integration. Use $2 across Chrono.tech's employment-related services.